Environmental pollution is an incurable disease. It can only be prevented by Barry Commoner. With this quote, I welcome you all on behalf of School of Life Sciences, B.S. Abdurrahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology for this two-day symposium to observe National Pollution Control Day organized in association with HLRJ Biotech Private Limited, HEFA Enron Private Limited, and Crescent Innovation and Incubation Council. It's my immense pleasure to welcome you all for this two-day symposium. National Pollution Control Day is observed every year on December 2nd. The reason for this day is to increase awareness among people about environmental pollution and its consequences. The National Pollution Control Day is observed every year on this day in remembrance of those who lost their lives in the Bhopal gas tragedy when the deadly gas methyl isocyanate leaked out of Union Carbide plant on the intervening night of December 2nd in 1984. The theme for this year is to promote awareness of the necessity of pollution control. The major aim is to raise public awareness about the necessity of pollution control acts and to educate people about industrial disasters. The objective of the day is to raise public awareness about pollution control in the areas of air, soil, noise, and water, and educate people on how to avoid pollution. This symposium includes various competitions, including wealth out of waste, drawing, painting, photo collage, quiz for school and college students. This symposium also includes invited talks from eminent experts from India and abroad. Dr. Gopi, Professor, Kebri Dehar University, Ethiopia, will be talking on strategies to reduce environmental pollution from animal manure. Dr. Ramesh Prabhu from Accenture Services Private Limited, Chennai, India, will be discussing on noise pollution. Mr. Shivakumar, General Manager, Ranitech CETP, India, will shed light on zero liquid discharge system for the industrial effluents. Dr. Vasudevan, District Environmental Engineer, Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board, will be discussing on environmental legislation on air pollution. We thank all the experts for their time and sharing their knowledge and expertise with us. It's very important to focus on decreasing pollution for making a better world that is pollution free. Everyone has to come ahead to reduce pollution through many of the pollution free activities to be done in every country. We thank all the participants for joining hands with us to create awareness to control pollution. I hope this symposium will help to find strategies to prevent and control various types of pollution and to create awareness among school and college students as well as researchers. Once again, I welcome you all. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.